Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is, use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in the following case. And the given polynomial is px is equal to 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 minus 2x minus 1. And the given other polynomial is gx is equal to x plus 1. So guys, let us see how we can solve this. Question has given us these polynomials. px is equal to 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 minus 2x minus 1, and gx is equal to x plus 1. Question has given us these two polynomials. One is px is equal to 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 minus 2x minus 1, and gx is equal to x plus 1. And question is asking us here to find out if gx is a factor of px using factor theorem. So question is asking us to find out if gx is a factor of px using factor theorem. So guys, let's see how we can check whether gx is a factor of px using factor theorem. Now, what is factor theorem? We know that as per the factor theorem, we know that pa is equal to 0. As per factor theorem, we know that pa is equal to 0, or as per factor theorem, if pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. This is what factor theorem states that. The factor theorem states that if pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. Keeping this thing in mind, let us try to solve the given equation or the given question. Now the question has given us gx is equal to x plus 1. This is what the question has given us. Now let us find out, or let us say that 0 of gx, that means when x plus 1 is equal to 0, or we can write x is equal to minus 1. This is what we are getting from the given gx, from the given second polynomial, for which we need to determine whether this is a factor of px or not. So we got x is equal to minus 1. Now let us replace the value of px with the value of this x, that is minus 1, and see what we are getting. So now what I am going to do, I am going to replace the value of px with minus 1, or the value of x with minus 1. Here the question has given us px is equal to 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 minus 2x minus 1. Or I can write, just replacing the value of x with minus 1 that we got here. So I can write p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 to the power 3 plus minus 1 to the power 2 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. Or I can write p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. Or I can write p minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 plus minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 minus 1. This is what till here we are getting. Hope guys I am very clear till here. So what we got px is p minus 1. We got p minus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Or I can write p minus 1 is equal to, let us first consider all these positive things, which is plus 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then we will consider this minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. Or I can write P of minus 1 is equal to 0. How? This plus 3, this minus 3, it cancels out, and we got P of minus 1 as 0. Now guys, this is what we got. We got P of minus 1 is equal to 0. So what we conclude here, we know that if PA is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px, is a factor of px. This is what the factor theorem states us. So from this, now I can write my concluding answer saying that edge P3 is P3 edge P minus 1 is P minus 1 that we got here is P minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence Gx is a factor of Px. Something like this you need to write in your own words. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.